Welcome to my channel Zawiyar Product Reviews. Today topic best topic shine with mirror nails. Let's get started. We can't wait to see you rock your on dazzling mirror and glitter nails. Be sure subscribe to our channel for more nail art tutorials and tips. Get creative with your designs. You can use stencils, stamping plates, and other nail art tools to create unique looks. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best way to learn is practice. In this video, we will be diving into the world of nail art, mirror pigment powder, and nail glitter dip powder. These amazing powders can transform your nails into dazzling works of art. They are surprisingly easy to use at home. You will learn in this video the difference between mirror pigment powder and dip powder. Mirror powder creates a smooth reflective finish while dip powder provides a texture glittery effect. How to apply both powders? We will show you step by step instructions for using each powder so you can achieve salon worthy result. Tips and tricks for getting the perfect finish. We will share some insider secrets for making your mirror and glitter nails extra special. Design ideas. Get inspired by your creative nail art ideas that feature mirror and glitter powders. What you will need: base coat, UV gel polish for mirror powder, no wipe top coat for both powders, mirror pigment powder, deep powder, nail brush or eyeshadow applicator, cotton swabs. Use different base coat colors to create different mirror effects. For example, a black base coat will create a chrome mirror effect, while a white base coat will create a pearl mirror effect. Get creative with your designs. You can use stencils, stamping palettes. Don't forget to give our video a thumbs up and leave our channel below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more nail art tutorials and tips. Mirror on the wall. Who's the shiniest of them all? It's you. With these dazzling nail powders, forget diamonds, these nails will steal the show. Get ready to unleash your inner disco queen with our mirror and glitter powder tutorial. Benefits: long lasting shine that outlast and any disco ball. Discover the secrets to chip proof nails with mirror and glitter powders. Watching, like, share, subscribe, and press bell icon. And I will provide you different videos on I button and link in the description and bio. Thanks for watching.